dot php. Like in WD, whenever you create the HTML file, at that time you just save the file with which extension .html. But in PHP you have to create one file, you give the name and stored with .php extension. Okay. Why PHP? Why PHP? What is the importance of PHP? PHP runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. And PHP is compatible with almost all the server used today like Apache, Tomcat, IIS, etc. PHP support a wide range of database. You know what, when you use the PHP technology and you think about, okay, I want to use Microsoft Access database, you can. If you want to use MySQL database, you can. If you want to use even Oracle, you can. Right? Now PHP is free. Download it from official resource, as I told you, www.php.net. PHP is easy to learn and run efficiently on the server side. Okay. What do you need if you want to use PHP? What you exactly need in your system? To start using PHP, you have to find web host with PHP and MySQL support. Install web server on your PC and then install PHP and MySQL. Students, here I would like to give you one advice. We have the third party package tool, name is WAMP, WAMP, WAMP server. This WAMP server is third party package tool which include everything. Everything means Windows, it works for Windows, W stands for Windows, okay, A stands for Apache, Apache means server, then M stands for MySQL, MySQL is your database, and P stands for technology, that means PHP, okay. Then use web host with PHP support. It obviously, as I earlier told you about, PHP is a web technology, so you must be work with the host. Host means here we are going to use localhost. Okay, let's move on. If your server has activated support for PHP, you do not need to do anything. Means everything is now take the responsibility by your Apache server. Just create some PHP file, place them in your web directory. Let me guide you. When you install WAMP server, it automatically create the folder in your C drive. The name is WAMP. WAMP folder contain one more folder, that name is www, and you have to create your project in that folder. Which folder? www. You do not need to compile anything or install extra tool. Everything is included in WAMP server. Because PHP is free, most web hosts offer the PHP support. So you can get easily any kind of complexity solution from the blogs. Okay. Okay, tools. Which kind of tools? Here, students, I know that there are latest tools to editors, servers are available, but what I'll suggest you, please do not install advanced level or advanced version of editors, because this is what our beginning stage. So I personally recommend install Macromedia Dreamweaver 8 version and WAMP server 2.0. okay, so please keep in mind this all aspect. If you have any query or doubt, please consult me. We will meet again with the next session. Till now, thank you.